Hi, this is my contest entry for Mac and Cheese 59's contest, and I'm doing my summer makeup for you. I've already done, this eye, and I will show you how I do it. First, I take eyeshadow pencil. This one's in beige. I keep it all natural in summer because I don't like many products. Colors I like, but many products I don't like in the summer because they will naturally flow off your face. So why bother? Just to brighten it up, I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Also, I'm using no foundation. I also just use a tinted moisturizer I put on before with an SPSF 15, I think. SPSF is very important if you want to have premature wrinkles. Next, I'll take, that's basically everything we did for the shadow. Next we take colored eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner in metal green, I think. Can't find the name of it. Breezy Beach. Yeah, and I'm applying it a thick line because it's the only thing I wear. I have no problem in wearing it in a thick line. I hope you can see it. Love it. Yes, next we will put on mascara to the upper and to the lower lashes. I also vary it when it's really hot, black with like very intense blue as mascara, but I have to get to no, sorry, can't find the word right now, to like get done with this one. Sorry, I just made a mess, but will not wear much, so yeah. That's basically everything we did for the eyes. They just got like a pop of color. Next, I take my blush in Color Mania. It's from Essence, from the LA Crazy About Color, from the limited edition. So just swirl it around every part of every brick of it. Smile. With this blush you can't technically put on too much. It's very shimmery. You can use this alone as a highlight if you want to. Yeah, then we take lip glosses from SPSF. This is also from Essence, from the Sun collection. Yes, Sun collection. This has an SPSF of 25, I think. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. SPF 6, sorry. And it's the Refreshing Moisturizing Lip Gloss. And then I just add, I could have done this before, a little bit of powder with my kabuki on in the places where I get shiny, on the forehead, nose, side of my face, but under my eyes, and my chin. Yeah, I hope you like it and liked it. This is my summer look, and hope to see you soon. Bye.